The next step in making our avatar is to put spots or dots on our faces. Make sure in the layers panel that you are on the correct layer. You need to be on the layer that has your base, your face on it. Mine is called layer 0. What we are going to do when you are on layer 0 is we are going to add a new layer. So we are going up to layer, new, and then layer. We're going to call this layer spots. And then press OK. To make the spots, we're going to use the brush tool. I typically call it a paintbrush tool, but it's just a brush tool. It is located on your toolbar. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th one down from the top. If it is not on the brush, you can right click and change it to the brush. The other tools that you can find there is a pencil tool and the color replacement tool. Make sure you are on the brush tool. The other thing that you need to make sure of is that you are on white. We want to make white dots. Right now I am on black, so I'm going to switch it to white. We want to make sure we're making white dots. My first dots that I'm going to make, I want them to be size 10, so I'm going to change my brush size to size 10 for 10 pixels. I'm going to leave the mode to normal and the opacity at 100%. I'm now going to make several dots on my nose, on my brow, on the cheeks, on the corner of my mouth, and down my neck. Remember, if you ever don't like something that you've placed, you can always undo. I'm now going to make some dots a little bit bigger, so I'm going to try brush size maybe 15 and make just a little bit bigger. Those you can see just a little bit better. I may try just one size a little bit bigger and just add a few larger dots. Let's go up to almost 20 here. Wonder how big those are. Those would be all right. And And you notice I'm just kind of just sticking them anywhere. You can also be a little bit more precise where you stick them. When you are satisfied with your dots, we are going to add something called an outer glow to those dots. You're going to go to Layer, and then to Layer Style, and then to Blending Options. You'll notice that there is a style here called Outer Glow, and you're going to select Outer Glow, and that will put a glow around the outside of those. We are going to change the opacity here to about 30% or so. So it's not quite as bright. And we still want to see it. I'm going to go up a little bit. And try OK. And that is how you add dots to your face. Make sure that you hit save when you're done.